The following video is made for educational purposes only. Everything you see is just an educational example. It does not constitute financial advice. Results may vary for you. Ever traded meme coins before? Maybe you've thrown cash at dead-end projects and walked away empty-handed. Or maybe, just like me, you're ready to flip the script and actually make something out of this wild meme coin game. Well, you're in luck, because today, I'm breaking down exactly how to launch your own meme coins and turn hype into real profits. The secret to this strategy? Stop trading meme coins and start creating them. Most people immediately think of pump fun when you talk about launching a meme coin, but that's exactly the problem. Pump fun is so oversaturated these days that standing out and actually making money is nearly impossible. Let me introduce you to the better alternative, Raydium. Unlike the spam fest that is pump fun, Raydium actually has quality projects with real potential. The numbers don't lie. Where pump fun sees hundreds of desperate launches every minute, Raydium maintains a clean 5 to 10. That's the kind of less saturated space where you can actually make an impact. Now, let's get to the good part, actually launching on Raydium. After testing different methods, I found the simplest solution, launchtool.io. Forget about learning Solidity or dealing with complex coding. This platform lets you create and deploy a coin in minutes with just a few clicks. No technical skills needed. Ready to see how easy this is? Let's dive right in. Step 1 is all about creating a logo that makes people stop scrolling. Funny, trendy, or downright bizarre. That's what gets clicks and buys. My best advice? Raid Twitter or TikTok for the hottest memes of the moment. Today, I'm rolling with the famous soccer club Real Madrid. It's trending right now, so it's a great pick. Remember to size it to 128 by 128 pixels. Download it, and you're golden. Phase 1 complete. Now let's get technical. Spot this wallet connection button, give it a click, and approve the permission when prompted. That's all it takes to kickstart your token creation journey. Let's define your coin's personality. First, give it a name related to your topic. In this case, Real Madrid coin. Then choose a clean symbol. I'll go with Madrid. For the description, add something catchy like, "The legendary soccer club has its own crypto project now." Then upload your logo, and you'll be ready to keep it going, so click Next. Now we're at the tokenomics dashboard. And here's the best part. It's all pre-configured. Everything's already set up perfectly. Your only job? Click that shiny Next button. Here's the About Creator section. And here's my professional advice. Skip it. They're charging 0.1 Sol for this, and it's not worth it. This info is just irrelevant, so paying for it makes no sense. Toggle it off, and let's get to the good stuff. Next up, social media links. Unlike that useless creator info, these actually matter. If you've got Twitter or Telegram ready, feel free to connect them. But for today's video purposes, I'll be skipping this. One step more, and our coin will be launched. Listen up. This is the most important step. These revoke authority settings are your coin's security backbone. Here's the breakdown. Revoke freeze prevents your token from getting permanently frozen. Revoke mint stops anyone from printing infinite supply. And revoke update locks the contract so no one can alter it post-launch. Smart investors will check these. If they see any disabled, they'll run. The safe play? Keep all three enabled and hit Launch My Token with confidence. Your wallet will now request transaction approval. Go ahead and confirm it. After a brief processing period, your token will be officially deployed on Solana's blockchain. For real-time validation, we'll cross-reference its details on Solscan right away. Here on Solscan, we can confirm our token is now live on the Solana blockchain. You'll find all the critical details here: total supply, transaction signatures, and contract information. But our work isn't done yet. The crucial next step is step 3, so let me show you what's next. Now, we reach the liquidity phase, a critical step that enables trading for all Raydium users. By establishing this liquidity pool, we'll make our token accessible through platforms like Photon's Raydium listing. To begin, simply click Create Liquidity Pool. Once on Raydium's platform, begin by connecting your wallet using the interface in the upper right corner. Next, you'll need to add your meme coin as the base token by pasting its contract address from LaunchTool into the designated field. After verifying the token details and clicking Add User Token, you'll allocate 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool, representing 90% of the total supply, which is the standard practice for meme coin projects to ensure adequate market liquidity. For the quote token, which will be traded against your meme coin, Solana is the standard selection. You'll want to commit the maximum possible amount here. deducting only the 0.2 Sol network fee that Radium charges for liquidity pool creation. Importantly, this Sol remains completely under your control and can be withdrawn later if needed, making it a risk-free liquidity provision. In the fee tier selection, I consistently opt for the 2% setting based on proven results. While the 0.5% option may be viable, I can't personally verify its effectiveness. With this configured, simply click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the wallet transaction, and your token will be fully operational and ready for trading. The deployment is complete. Our token has successfully appeared on Photon's trading platforms. As we monitor initial market activity, I'd like to demonstrate the analytical framework I use to evaluate performance, which we'll explore in step 4 of our process. Dex Screener serves as my preferred analytics platform, offering more intuitive tracking than Photon for both personal use and content creation. The process is straightforward. Click on any random coin, copy your token's address from Launch Tool, and modify the URL by inserting your contract address. This reveals your complete trading dashboard. Always keep your eyes on the liquidity number. That's your golden ticket to success. While waiting, you can monitor your position through Radium's Portfolio tab, which displays all your active liquidity positions and token balances. This is also where you'll eventually withdraw profits to your wallet. Note that positions may take 10 to 15 minutes to appear. This is normal network processing time, so please remain patient as the system updates. Alright, let's break down how this launch performed. You'll see a bunch of bot action at the start. That's just part of the game. Ignore that noise. What really matters is watching your real volume pick up, because that's what moves your market cap and liquidity numbers. And here's the golden rule. Your profits live in that liquidity pool. So keep an eye on your Radium portfolio. And when those numbers look tasty, that's your cue to jump off the ship. Let me show you exactly how it's done. This is it. The final step. Head to your Radium portfolio's standard tab and make sure your wallet is connected. Then locate your LP position. Hit the minus button, then slide to 100%. Focus on the Sol value at the bottom. That's your actual payout amount. When you're happy with the number, click Remove Liquidity and approve the transaction. Remember that this is an educational video, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. When this notification appears, your updated balance is ready to view. As you can see, we've successfully made some nice gains in a remarkably short time frame. While these aren't life-changing returns, it demonstrates how strategic token launches can generate supplemental income when executed properly. This approach could certainly become a viable side hustle that you can do a couple times a day for some extra income. Let me be transparent though. This is strictly for learning purposes. No sponsorships here, just me breaking down the process. While I can't predict how long these methods will remain viable, I will say the crypto world moves fast. If this interests you, it's worth looking into sooner rather than later. Just always do your homework first.